Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Lowe's in beautiful New Mexico where I'm going to take you on a tour of their amazing plant nursery. If you love plants as much as I do, then you're in for a treat. We have just entered the plant nursery section and I can already see a vast array of vibrant colors and lush greenery. Lowe's has an impressive collection of annuals, perennials and seasonal flowers. Whether you're looking for vibrant roses, delicate daisies, you'll find a wide selection to choose from. The sight and scent of these blooms are truly captivating. You can see variety of chili plants here. There's a dedicated section for herbs which is fantastic for anyone who loves fresh flavors in their cooking or wants to start their own herb garden. You'll find classics like basil, mint and rosemary as well as unique varieties here. Lowe's has an extensive collection of these beauties, from tiny intricate arrangements to larger potted succulents. There's something here for every succulent enthusiast. The variety of shapes, colors, and textures is simply mesmerizing. Well, that concludes our tour of the plant nursery. I hope you enjoyed exploring this botanical wonderland with me. Thanks for joining me today.